Ordering fire-rated doors the traditional way isn't simple. A fire-rated door isn't just a slab with a label. It's a tested, listed assembly. The slab, frame, hinges, lock set, closer, and glazing all have to align with the required fire rating. If one component falls short, the entire opening fails inspection. And unless you're extremely knowledgeable in fire codes, listing limitations, and manufacturer restrictions, keeping all that straight can feel overwhelming and sometimes nearly impossible. That's exactly why the ProBuilder exists.
Take a 90-minute fire-rated door, for instance. The slab is correct, the frame is correct, the hardware is correct, the glass itself is actually rated. But if that light kit is too large for a 90-minute rated door with that selected glass, it will not meet codes. With fire-rated wood doors, glazing limitations are based on a maximum allowable size. As the rating increases, the permitted glass dimensions shrink. If the light opening exceeds what the listing allows, the assembly fails, even though the glass is technically rated, as only a certain glass types can be fire rated at higher ratings and dimensions. Now you're reordering the glass kit and delaying inspection.
Inside ProBuilder, that mistake is eliminated. The moment you select a 90-minute rating, light kit sizes are automatically restricted to what's allowed for that assembly. Oversized options simply aren't available. Compliance is enforced at configuration, not at inspection. Now consider a 60-minute mechanical room door that needs ventilation. A standard louver gets added. It seems logical. But most fire-rated wood doors don't allow standard louvers. Some ratings prohibit them entirely. Others require very specific listed fire-rated louver assemblies. Install the wrong one, and the fire label is void.
Hardware can create the same issue. Imagine that you have a 90-minute door and frame in a stairwell, but your hardware is not fire rated. That creates an issue. Using ProBuilder, the beautiful thing is the rules built into the process will enable that your hardware is fire rated and it will match perfectly to your door in the frame.
With ProBuilder, once you select the rating, the hardware options are filtered automatically. If it doesn't meet the required duration, it won't appear on the ProBuilder. This rule is built into the process. The real issue isn't inexperience, it's that traditional ordering systems allow incompatible components to be selected together. When invalid combinations are possible, mistakes are inevitable. ProBuilder eliminates that vulnerability for you. Instead of relying on memory, charts, and manual cross-referencing, you're configuring inside guide rails designed around compliance. You're not guessing. You're building correctly from the start.
Even with guardrails in place, questions come up. Code interpretations, application details, listing limitations. Maybe the building owner wants a large light kit in a door that requires a high fire rating. That's why the CDF door experts are always on call to assist. You're not having to navigate the fire assemblies alone. You have a system that enforces compliance and a team that understands it inside and out.
You don't have to master every single fire code. You just need a team and a system that already has. ProBuilder is used every day to build fully compliant, correctly sized, and properly rated fire-rated door packages, guiding you through each decision and preventing mistakes before they happen. Backed by CDF's door experts and available to anyone ordering commercial doors.